Hey, what's up guys? This is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Welcome back here in our channel. Well, today we will be quickly unboxing the DJI Mini 2. This is one of their latest products. And just like what we did with the DJI Pocket 2, we will be posting a separate full review of this one right here, the drone. And if you're looking for footages or sample footages, this may not be the video you're looking for. If you want to see footages, you may want to go check it out here on the card on the left side, or you can go and check out our website at gadgetpilipinas.net. But if you want to know what's inside the retail box of the DJI Mini 2, then this may be the video that you're looking for. Now, while it says here it's a display demo, exactly what's inside are the same things you will find inside the retail box of the DJI Mini 2. This is not the Fly More combo. This is the basic combo that they're currently selling, and we're here to unbox this for you. Now, it says here 249 grams, and this is one of the compelling reasons why you should get the DJI Mini 2, because it's perfect to be carried over, and also you can bring with you on your travels, because there's this particular restriction that anything below or anything beyond 250 grams may not be carried on your bag. So this means that you can put this in your bag if you're going to travel. But since we haven't been traveling lately, watch out for our full review, because we'll tell you on how you can maximize your drone later on. Now, this is the retail box of the DJI Mini 2. On the left side, you will find here all the features that you need to know about this drone right here. Now, these are the USPs of the product, and by USPs, I mean these are the things that are significantly better than the previous generation, and therefore they are currently marketing it that way. So this is ultralight, it's foldable. As I mentioned, it's less than 249 grams. That's almost the size of the limit of the allowable that you can carry over inside the plane. Now, it has 31 minutes max flight time. Before, I believe it's 30 minutes. And 10 kilometers OcuSync 2.0. It's the latest technology wherein you can make the drone fly up to 10 kilometers. You don't need to worry about it not going back to home. And 8.5 to 10.5 ms of wind resistance, so you don't need to worry about that. It's far more stronger than the previous generation based on my research, and as usual, it's a 3-axis gimbal camera that is capable of 4K video. And I think from a filmmaker's perspective, you should be able to take some spectacular footages with this drone right here. Now, on the back side, you can find here that it works with iMovie and Final Cut Pro, and definitely it will work with other editing software. I am using DaVinci Resolve, and if you may have missed my video about another product, you can go and check it out here on the card on the left side for me to show you how I am using DaVinci Resolve in my editing workflow, and also that product that I featured there as well. DJI branding, and over here at the bottom you get here the serial number and also the EAN and UPC. Okay, so without further ado, let's now proceed with the unboxing. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove the plastic here on. That's more than enough. We just rip off the plastic on the base. Cool. I like the fact that they're marketing it differently this time. Remember, the DJI Mini, the first Mini, is the term is DJI Mavic Mini, and now it's just simply DJI Mini 2. The same thing with what they did with the Pocket 2. Before, it was DJI Osmo Pocket, and this time it's just simply DJI Pocket 2. So huge changes they're doing there. Alright, so it says here open. Now that means we still need to remove the sticker right here. We can just simply use our handy dandy scissor blade. I think we can just forgo with the scissor blade. There you go. Cool. And here you go, guys. Let's see. Woo! Wow. I'm used to the colorful DJI Spark, because that's the drone I'm currently using right now. I've had so many memories with that. I shot some videos in Boracay, also in Cabanatuan City, also in Manawag, in Pangasinan, lots of places. And wow, it's really small and light. We'll get onto that later on. And apart from that, we'll go and check out other things inside. Again, this is not the Fly More combo, so the extra things that you're expecting, they're not here. Okay, so I would think that this is the flight instructions. Okay, quick start guide. What is this? Oh, subscribe for more information. I think this is DJI support, their Facebook Messenger, and then a couple of other manuals. We have here, oh, what's that? Okay, flying your drone for fun. Know the rules, fly safe. So I think this is for Australian government. It's a requirement, I believe. And then we have here utilization. It's in French. I don't understand French. Fly the right way. I think this is also for another country. CAA, it's New Zealand. And last but not the least, we have here safety guidelines. Now, apart from that, we have a couple of cables here. We have Type C to Type A cable. Okay, right here. Then we have a couple of additional cables which you can use to, when you mount your smartphone to the controller, then you can use these extra cables. We have one for Type C to micro USB. Then we have another one which is micro USB to micro USB right there. And we have a screwdriver, a small screwdriver, which we can use if you want to put in probably some accessories on the drone. It's really tiny. It looks nice. And lastly, we have here extra propellers. Are these extra propellers? Yes, they are extra propellers because we have propellers already installed, pre-installed. And that's it. These are basically everything inside the box, but let's not forget the remote. It's already here. It's underneath the box. And the remote is different from the previous generation, and it's different as well compared to the DJI Spark, wherein you clip your smartphone at the bottom. But this time it's different. The implementation is different, where you mount it at the top. There you go. Right. There you go. There. So you just pull it right that. So it should be able to clip the smartphone if you want. And also we have here the joysticks. So if you want to use it, all you have to do is just simply screw it in. I like this design. Props to DJI for doing this actually. Wow. I like the feel of the controller. It feels solid. Unlike the first ones, they're quite flimsy. There's not much flex, honestly. And the rubber, you know, adds grip. Right? Cool. Take this off so that we can see the lens. We can remove this part. There you go, one. Then we also remove this portion right here. There you go. We're good to go. It can easily be stowed because there are only several steps to do in order for you to assemble it like so. Okay, let's go and check out the weight of this one. The weight, so this, oh, it's 243, so it's really less than 249 grams right here. Now, this one is 243 grams, and the controller is definitely, probably heavier. It's 389. So, this goes up in the air. This doesn't go up in the air. So, the requirement for this one to really be lighter is a must. So, props to DJI for really being able to actually do this. They pulled it off, and congratulations to all of them. Oh, okay, so that's it, guys. That's pretty much everything inside the box of the DJI Mini 2. This is not, again, a review, and if you're expecting us to show you some footages, then this is not the video you're looking for. But I do encourage you to check out my full review pretty soon on our website and on our YouTube channel. You can go and check them out. Footages will be going to the province in a couple of days, so we're hoping to be able to shoot some really, hopefully, epic shots there in the province. So with that, guys, thank you so much for tuning in and for joining me here in this unboxing video. Again, this has been Gian. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.